Welcome to English Learning Journey. Today Meera shares a charming story about her two pets. Along the way, you'll learn useful words and phrases for daily conversations. Listen carefully and enjoy. Hello everyone. My name is Meera, and today I'd like to introduce you to my two dearest friends, Millo and Scooby. Scooby is an active dog, while Millo is a fluffy white cat. They are my family, not merely pets. They bring joy to my home every day, and caring for them has taught me important life lessons. How I met Scooby. A few months later, I met Scooby by chance. I saw a tiny, energetic dog tangled in the bushes after hearing rustling sounds close to my house. He wiggled his tail and had large, sparkling eyes, as though he already trusted me. After gently releasing him, I patted his head, and he eagerly followed me home. Scooby has been my faithful friend ever since that day. He likes to play fetch, take long walks in the park, and make new animal and human friends. And he always makes me feel better. No matter how my day goes, he never fails to lift my spirits. How I met Millo. On a cold winter evening, I discovered Millo shivering beneath a park bench, barely larger than my hand. She was scared and alone, and I couldn't just leave her there, so I picked her up, wrapped her in my scarf, and brought her home, where I gave her a warm blanket and warm milk. She was hesitant at first, but she quickly realized she was safe, and she became a member of my family. She has a curious nature and enjoys watching birds outside her window. At night, she jumps onto my bed and curls up beside me, purring gently. Owning pets comes with responsibilities. I make sure Millo and Scooby are always healthy and happy. I take them to the vet regularly for checkups to ensure they're in good health. Even though Millo and Scooby are very different, they share one common trait. They love being close to me. Now it's time to learn vocabulary. Energetic, full of energy and enthusiasm. Faithful, loyal, and always supportive. Hesitant, unsure, or slow to act due to uncertainty or fear. Cherished, deeply loved and valued, tangled, twisted or caught in something. Companions, close friends or partners. Purring, the soft vibrating sound cats make when happy.